Hello, and this is part 2 of fixing garage door, because the garage doors come off, as you know. If you haven't seen part 1, then you should go over and see that. We've just been fixing the garage door. I'm in the car at the moment because I sort of left part 1 in a hurry because there was a wasp right next to us. If you thought my voice was a bit funny if you've seen part 1, then that's why. Let's get into it. Okay, so see what is she doing? Oh my god, my arm's aching. Would it work if I might lose you guys? No, it's not gonna help. It's not gonna work. Okay, so my arm's aching. What are you doing, Tracy?
Trying to get this through.
I'm gonna shut that door properly. Wait a minute. What are you doing now?
The door's in the right height.
So Tracy's getting the door to the height. She has squared a bit of, wood on the side there. Excuse me, while you guys have been away.
Quickly screw that on before it falls off. Luckily it's not windy now.
Here we go. Okay, let's come back for part 3 because the phone's getting low on memory. Bye! Don't forget to check that out if it's out. Goodbye.